My father got a job as a during the Depression as a film mover. It used to be, today you take films and with a computer, they send films all over. It used to be in Chicago, where my father lived. They used to transfer big cans of films from one movie house to another as the film moved down the ladder from the first run to the second run to the third run. And he was the guy, his job, and he was paid during the Depression $75 a week, which was a ton of money, to just do that. And he became involved in the motion picture business, in the distribution, and then eventually he owned a few movie houses.